What can a client do to make your shoot better?
Plainly sasabihin sa'yo, just be you.
Communication is key.
Yung very cooperative.
Ano lang talaga, constant communication lang.
Good open communication.
Clarify things.
I-align natin yung mga expectation.
Food and massage.
Actually, yun lang. Yun lang talaga, tapos na tayo. Yun lang. Diba?
Kapag yung client, walang demands, walang requests, walang hinahabol na style, pero plainly sasabihin sa'yo, just be you. Grabe. Pag nahanap mo yung kliyente na yun, alagaan nyo mabuti. Yun na yun.
Food and massage. Set massage.
Set massage?
Yes, oo, set massage.
Nakakuha ka na nun before?
Always. Set massage. Nag-offer lang sila.
Totoo?
Yeah, especially pag longer hours, ang sarap. Oh my.
It's to clarify things so hindi nalilito yung production team. Mahalagang alam na ni client yung gusto niya.
Ano lang talaga, constant communication lang. Sabihin niya lang talaga yung gusto niya ma-achieve kasi sobrang laking gaan sa atin as creator. Meron kayong constant communication, alam mo yung gusto niya, kung paano mo gusto gawin, everything will go well.
Yung very cooperative tapos nagte-take ng mga ideas from the creatives, like hindi siya one-sided. It takes two talaga para gumanda yung isang shoot.
Good open communication. Tapos sana may shoot deck lagi. At saka shot list. Para yung tipo, sabihin niyo sa akin kung ano kailangan niyo clearly para I can execute it for you. Diba? Walang hulaan.
Proper plans ng shoot, flow, and actually yun lang talaga, tapos na tayo. Yun lang.
Diba?
Makinig sila sa amin. Kaya nga tayo na-hire. Kasi expertise kasi natin yun. I-align natin yung mga expectation.
Communication is key. It's always best to always have a good discussion between what you want to achieve to make the content better.
Communication, number one.
Yeah, that's true.